You may have heard of ChatGPT.
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 But what is it and why is it so important? The world is moving very fast. Artificial intelligence is going to change everything, education to how we live. If your child is in year 6 or above, we will show in our new course how to use ChatGPT properly, how it can help improve grades, and make studying more effective. Hello parents, I'm Jonathan and I've worked in finance and technology and I will be your child's instructor. Recently, I've been incorporating ChatGPT in my life, and if we are not ready to use the power of AI, we might be in trouble. Let me show you some examples. In this example, we will show you how ChatGPT can help us improve vocabulary in English. Let's ask ChatGPT what does elaborate mean? But this is a general prompt. As we can see, ChatGPT will just give us a general answer that you can get from a dictionary. But we can write a stronger prompt to get better results. This time, we will ask ChatGPT to explain the word elaborate using Elsa from Frozen as an example. And as we can see, ChatGPT has given us a more detailed answer, not just explaining what elaborate means, but also using an example that students find more interesting. This can help reinforce learning, understanding, and even memorization. In this one, we will show that you can be really interactive with ChatGPT. Did you know that you can role-play with ChatGPT? In this case, we will assign ChatGPT as the teacher and we as the student. Using a powerful prompt, we can ask ChatGPT to provide us with a list of questions on a certain topic we want to learn. Let's pick a science topic, photosynthesis. As we can see, ChatGPT provides us a list of questions, or one by one. After answering the question, ChatGPT gives suggestions on how to make it better, and we can go on and on until we are satisfied. This is why knowing how to write powerful prompts make a big difference. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. So make sure you enroll your child today. That way, your child has an advantage in the world of AI.